This is a tutorial on how to use the new Tempotest Visualizer desktop version. To begin, you open up the program by visiting the website, and you'll see that there is a stock photo already loaded onto the screen. You could first choose to change this photo to be one of the stock photos, or you could also choose to add your own file, which could be a picture you took at the back of your house, a customer's house, whatever works for your situation. For now, we will just use this stock photo. The next thing we're going to do is choose a model. The default model that pops up is a retractable awning. As you can see, you can get a little perspective of it with a pre-selected fabric of choice. Just for circumstances in showing you guys how this works, we're going to use this retractable model, and we're going to locate it over here to the right. Now, in doing so, you'll see there's a little shaded area underneath the actual awning. You could change that effect by shutting off the lights or turning them back on. You also have full control over the scale of the fabric. So in this case, if you believe that the repeat is not properly signified here by the scale, you could always increase the scale of the unit and then size the awning properly by width and by height to have it fit in its location. In this circumstance, I think it'll fit perfectly fine there. Make it a little wider, and there you go. Now we can choose to add a separate model in addition to that awning. This time I'll choose a different style awning, and it will default to that same color fabric. Now you could choose to put it over here. In this case, I'd like to shrink it a little bit to get it to fit accordingly. And there you go. There is no limit to the number of awnings you can fit onto this drawing, or shapes you can choose to do, just based on the actual application. Increase this a little bit. In choosing the actual fabric color, you would just go up to Fabrics, and you would have the full access to the entire collection of Tempotest fabrics. In this case, maybe I want to go with a texture, and there you go. And then back to a brown color, for instance. So as you can see, there's no limitations. One last feature to be aware of, if there are pictures where the perspective is slightly tweaked, you could also alter the perspective in order to fit that actual application. But in this case, it's just not necessary. And that is a tutorial of the new desktop version from Tempotest.